Hello viewers, welcome back to another section of my tutorial. Please kindly subscribe if you haven't pressed the subscribe button. Please follow the video to the end so that you get to understand what you are going to do today. So evaluate limits as n approaches infinity of this expression, n multiplying n plus 2 all over n plus 1 minus n cubed over n squared plus 1. So to find the limits, let's simplify this expression here. So I'll bring my open big brackets and I'll have my n plus 2 all over n plus 1 minus n cubed all over n squared plus 1. So at this point I'm to simplify this. So what do I do? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the LCM of this. To take the LCM, I'm going to have the LCM to be n plus 1 multiplying n squared plus 1. So n plus 1 will come so that we get n squared plus 1 multiplying the expression n open bracket n plus 2, that is for this side, minus this one will come, you get n plus 1 multiplying n cube up there like this. So you go ahead to simplify this expression. So you have n squared plus 1 multiplying, let's simplify here, you get n squared plus 2n. So n squared plus 2n minus, at this point you get n multiplying this, you get n to the power 4 plus n cubed all over n plus 1 multiplying n squared plus 1. So once you reach here, what you're going to do is to still break the top down by multiplying through by this side. So I'm going to get n to the power 4 plus 2n cubed plus n squared plus 2n minus n to the power 4 minus n cubed. All this over, let me break this one down. I'm going to have n cubed plus this multiplied by this, you get n plus n squared then plus 1. So at this point I can see that n to the power 4 to cancel this, then I'll have 2n cubed, I'll get n cubed, so n cubed plus n squared then plus 2n all over, here I'm going to get n cubed plus n squared plus 1. So at this point I'm going to divide through by the highest power of n, that is n cubed. So dividing through by n cubed, here will be 1 plus 1 over n plus 2 over n squared, that is I'm dividing through by n cubed, all over 1 plus 1 over n squared plus 1 over n then plus 1 over n cubed. Wherever you see n, you are going to put infinity there. So we are going to get 1 plus 1 over infinity plus 2 over infinity squared all over 1 plus 1 over infinity all squared plus 1 over infinity then plus 1 over infinity cube. Any number over infinity is 0, so all these things will cancel out to be 0 and we'll be left with 1 over 1. Therefore, the solution for this limit function is equal to 1. Thank you.